The Hillsborough residence is a contemporary family home. We designed this home with beautiful details to support our clients' everyday living, entertaining, and comfort for a family of 6. The heart of the home is the newly expanded kitchen. On the countertops and backsplash, we have crema royale quartzite. Our clients love to cook, so it was important to choose a material that was durable and less porous. We have a mix of white oak cabinets and painted brown lower cabinets. We also have brass hardware throughout the kitchen to warm up the space. The new layout brought in more light and openness, especially in the kitchen, which is the central space for the family. A beautiful large island anchoring the space, making it ideal for entertaining, which was very important for our clients. We started this project around mid-2024, and construction was approximately a year and a half. We loved our collaboration with our clients and the architect to really improve the original layout of this home and to add more entertaining spaces for them. The family room bar introduces a different shade of color to the home, a bit of drama with a deep burgundy cabinet paired with the crema royale quartzite countertops and brass accent metals with the glass shelving, all coming together beautifully for a pop of color. The clients wanted a more modern aesthetic, but keeping with the style of the architecture. So we went with a warm, modern, but layered approach. You can see through the warm neutral tones, textures, and organic elements to create spaces that just feel calm, inviting, and easy to live in. Our client wanted us to keep the primary bathroom light and bright, so we decided to go with iceberg honed marble in different patterns. We have the herringbone pattern on the walls and the hex marble and the larger scale 12 by 24 tiles throughout to keep the space feeling larger. We added dark wood framed mirrors, adding contrast to the wall, and the dark wood vanity to keep that contemporary look that our clients were looking for. Each of the 6 bathrooms was designed with its own character. The paddle room is wrapped in black honed marble, and we designed it with different tile patterns for texture. There is a travertine pedestal sink custom made for the room, and we added brass accents on the lighting and the mirror. The boys' bathrooms have cool tone marble in larger scale and basalt flooring. We wanted them to reflect some of the light we get from the windows, so we went with a lighter marble tiles throughout the walls. The guest bath features natural gray marble for flexibility and a gray painted cabinet with accent brass metals and dark basalt floors. Our clients wanted the space to feel spacious, so we kept the stone tones here lighter as well. Decorative lighting and brass and pretty wood details connect the spaces visually together. The result is a modern, livable home that balances clean lines with warmth, texture, and thoughtful details. A home that is designed to grow with the family while supporting their love for cooking, gathering, and connection.